This artifact from 200 BC proves that the ancient Egyptians knew how to fly. It's called the Saqqara bird. Found in a tomb in 1898, it was originally labeled as just a wooden toy. But look at the tail. Birds have horizontal tails. This model has a vertical fin, exactly like a modern airplane. In 2006, experts built a scale model of this toy and put it in a wind tunnel. The result? It was perfectly aerodynamic. It wasn't a bird. It was a blueprint for a glider. Some believe the Egyptians used these to survey the desert or even help build the pyramids. We think flight started in 1903. But this wood carving says we are 2,000 years late. Was this a child's toy or a lost piece of technology? Subscribe for day 15. We're taking off.